Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Friends, during this sewing project, have you ever wondered how to get that perfect finish at the corners? Let me give you a simple sewing tip about how to get those perfect corners in an easy and simple way. Starting with this corner, the tip for sewing mitered corners. I am going to sew the mitered corners of about 1 inch. So for that I am folding 3/4 of an inch initially. You may take any measurement, 1/2 inch to 1 inch for the initial fold. And for the 1 inch fold, I am marking the fabric at 1 inch so that I fold it in a straight line. Ironing will hold the fold. Similarly, at the other side, I am marking the fabric at 1 inch and then I'll be folding it and iron to hold the fold. Once this is done, now open the final fold and from the corner mark at 2 inches on both sides from the corner. This measurement is twice the measurement of the final fold. Join the 2 points. Just draw a line across. Fold and hold the fabric in such a manner that the ends meet each other and pin up the fabric to hold. Similarly, prepare all the 4 corners. I am making a table mat. Mitered corners is also helpful in making quilts, sheets, napkins, and a lot of other sewing projects. The measurement of the fold can be according to your preference. It can be 3 inches, 4 inches, whichever you want. Just remember to take twice the measurement from the corner. Now I'll be sewing on the marked line at all the 4 corners. Snip off the extra thread. This is how it will be done. Folding the corners in this manner gives a very neat and clean finish to the project. Once all corners are done, I am cutting off the extra fabric a little away from the stitch. Now just fold it out. Just push the corner outside on all the 4 sides. Ironing the sides will help it set. This is how you get the mitered corners. If you are working with just a single fabric for the mitered corners, then you just need to sew along the fold edges. But like me, if you want it double-sided, then cut a fabric a bit smaller than the main folded fabric and insert it along the folds. Now sew along the edges on all sides. Adding this extra fabric makes my table mat a reversible one. On one side it has a single fabric, and on the other side it has contrasting border. So I am sewing along the folded edges with the second fabric inserted along the folds to make the reversible table mat. Similarly, you can do with other sewing projects too. So here is my final table mat with mitered corners. Mitered corners are stitching in the corners at 45-degree angle. It gives a very neat and clean finish. I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your projects. Friends, if you like this tutorial of mitered corners, please do subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell icon also in order to get notifications for more sewing tips and tutorials. I always look forward to your comments and suggestions, and also in the comment box do let me know for which project was this tutorial helpful. That's all for now. We'll catch up with the next video. Stay healthy and take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Thank you.